Hi everyone! Welcome to my unboxing and review of the AirChoice electric fireplace stove and oil-filled radiator heater. You can get the fireplace stove on Amazon for about $115. Check out the link in the description. Setting up the device is pretty easy, you just need a screwdriver to assemble the legs. Operating the fireplace stove is very convenient. It has an on-off switch for the main power and the 3D flame effect, a low heat switch, a high heat switch and an adjustable thermostat. The flame effect looks really nice, especially in the evening. The fireplace stove is small and lightweight, but it heats the room pretty good, and the adjustable thermostat works very well. You can also get the radiator heater on Amazon for about $60. Check out the link in the description. The heater is ready in a few seconds, you don't need any tools to set it up. The heater is very easy to operate, it only has an on-off switch and a thermostat knob. The radiator heater is way smaller than I had expected, but it gets pretty warm and it keeps my office at a decent temperature. I tested the fireplace stove and the radiator heater for about a week, and they kept me pretty warm during those cold days. If you are looking for some products that keep you warm during those cold winter months and also save you money, I would recommend the AirChoice electric fireplace stove and oil-filled radiator heater. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about these products, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.